Ready? Start. Sir, the whistle blowers bill is another major step in this direction. Stop. It will enable people to bring to the notice of the public wrongdoings being committed by the public servants. Stop. The Judicial Standards and Accountability Bill, which has been introduced in Parliament, is a major step to make the functioning of the judiciary more accountable and more transparent. Stop stanza. As the Honorable President has specifically mentioned women in her address, I would like to draw attention towards the gender budget statement, which does not actually give specific data about women. Stop. In the gender budget statements of previous years, less allocations of funds were made for women specific programs. Stop. That is extremely unfair. Stop. I hope that this year in the gender budget every ministry would increase their allocations for women. Stop. More allocation of funds should be made to the states to build infrastructure to implement the Prevention of Domestic Violence Act. Stop. Similarly, funds should be allocated to constitute a high level committee to conduct a review of self help groups, their policies and programs. Stop. A national task force should be set up for relief and rehabilitation of women in riot hit or terrorism hit areas. Stop. The issue is misuse of discretionary powers of those in authority, and the worrying things is that the president of a national opposition party says that it may be morally wrong, but it is not legally wrong, and this attitude shows their double standard. Stop. Today, India stands at the crossroads of nation building because of our demographic dividend, economic opportunities, global trade currents, opportunities thrown up by decline of economics in the West, and in the next 15 to 20 years we can hope that India can become a fully developed major superpower. Stop. If we lose this chance, history will not forgive us, and future generations will criticize us for our failures. Stop stanza. Sir, I am deeply disappointed with the address prepared by this government and delivered by the President. Stop. I have serious doubts about the propriety as also the integrity of this government. Stop. There seems to be a trust deficit between the party in power and the government in power. Stop. Why was the head of the government remained salient for 3 years when this was happening right under his nose stop. All you have to do is to distance yourself from the appointment of the gentleman as the minister. You distance yourself from the policy formulation stop. You distance yourself from the implementation of that policy and all the unfortunate things that took place along with it, and then ultimately say that he was not such a big culprit stop. This was a complete abandonment of not only the principle of collective leadership, it was also an abandonment of collective responsibility. It was an abandonment of leadership itself, where the Prime Minister tries to distance himself from the road that has set in the government itself stop. He is leading one of the most dishonest governments in the history stop. Food inflation is skyrocketing. Inflation is skyrocketing, and we all have is just some suitable subtle statements from the government that by another 6 months or another 5 years the inflation figures will moderate themselves stop. Your inflation figures for the last 3 years, I am talking of the wholesale price index, hovers around the double figures stop. At times it marginally comes down stop. The consumer price index is even higher stop. Your food price index is as high as 17 to 18% at times stop. Post liberalization India has success stories stop. The areas like telecom and highways have great success stop. But we find that we have outsourced it in those hands where integrity quotient was lacking stop. These are two sectors which have precisely got discredited the most, notwithstanding their success stop. The inflation affects the common man. You cannot control it, and you are speaking of this great India story. Year after year we told the rest of the world that come and invest in India. Investment, if we make India into an attractive destination, has its own advantages stop. It will generate economic activity and jobs stop. You will have more money for infrastructure creation stop. But if India ceases to be an attractive destination, in that event your ability to attract the world would fail stop. You should seriously introspect on it stop. For expanding our international trade, you need wide quality ports stop. Our infrastructure creation is not at the pace at which it ought to be stop. Our inflation is disproportionately high. We all welcome social sector spending stop. Our corruption index is very high stop. All of us would be of one view in protecting our environment stop. Every time When the inflation is high, we keep hiking our interest rates as the only possible solution to such an extent that doing business in India will become non-competitive if we don't moderate them. Stop over.